master's degree program in clinical mental health counseling at LaGrange College prepares its students to become self-reflective practitioners who serve in a wide range of professional settings.
Do you guys want to feel passionate about the career that you have?
That was the question posed by Dr. Kelly Veal and Dr. Justin Muller at a recent information session for students interested in mental health counseling. A passion for helping people. That's what prompted Megan Harrison to join the program.
I think everybody needs counseling. We all have issues, and honestly, they rank across a spectrum of different things that could be. Even like you just think about college students just coming to college. That's a big shift in your life. You've been with your family for however long, and then all of a sudden you're living with this person that you may or may not know, and homesickness. People don't think about going to counseling for that, but you can, and it's perfectly acceptable, and there's nothing wrong with that, and that doesn't mean there's anything wrong with you either.
We are in the job of hope giving. We're hope givers, and that's what we do.
Hope givers, who work in all sorts of settings.
We work in hospitals and private practices, community mental health, colleges. There's all sorts of different places and things that we can do with this career. It's a trending profession, easy to find jobs. There's a big push for mental wellness and mental health right now in the world, and we don't just do counseling. We lead groups, we do advocacy work, we are social justice advocates.
The first thing is, am I a great listener? The greatest skill that we have as counselors, therapists, psychologists is our ability to listen. Another area that I would say that's important would be the ability to look within oneself. We have to be able to look in ourselves and be able to explore potential biases or other sort of concerns and think about what it would be like to work with any sort of client, regardless of their experiences or choices, good choices and bad choices.
You have to care, and you have to be passionate, and you have to be extremely self-aware.
It's a program of self-awareness and introspection because we have to be well and healthy to help others.
Classes in the mental health counseling program are small, less than 15 in each cohort.
This program is great. All the classes are at night. We start class at 5:15, so there are a lot of students that have jobs.
In their final year, with help from their clinical coordinator, students will choose their practicum and internships, working with companies, agencies, and institutions all over the state to gain the clinical experience they'll need for state licensure.
About 80% of our graduates are already in the field.
In 10 years, I see myself owning my own private practice, and I really want to specialize in children and sexual abuse victims, which is what I've done research on. But for the most part, I'll just be a universal counselor. Like anybody can come in the door and I'll help anybody.
The Master's in Clinical Mental Health Counseling is a 60-credit-hour program that can be finished within 2 calendar years. For more information, visit lagrange.edu/counseling. Email counseling@lagrange.edu or call 706-880-8225.